So let's see what's inside a moulded mains plug. I put the plug into a vise, as you can see, and I've used my hacksaw to cut through. My assumption was that it was the same as an ordinary plug, except simply having the plastic or the mould on top of it. It's not what I expected. So as you look through it, you suddenly find there is two sections to it. The moulded part, which is the outside section, and then if you carefully cut away, you will find that there is a second section in which you can also open up. There does seem to be a lot of work done into this just so that you make a standard 13-amp plug. There is a second section that they've also put together where the actual wires are. Now I need to cut the wire off to show you more detail. Now I'm just taking the fuse out. Probably should have taken that out earlier. But now I'm going to cut away the outside, and that's it there. I suppose you could also use that as a plug as well. Now you can prise it apart, which is what I'm doing, and you can get to which I thought would be the wires. However, it's not. So that's a little bit disappointing. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more of my DIY videos, then please go on to my channel.